Toyota Corolla. Now that I have the hood open, I'm going to show you how to find the air filter. The air filter is actually in this box right here, and it's fairly simple to change. There's two tabs. There's a tab right here. We'll pull that down, and then if you see in the back, there is a tab right down there. We'll pull that down. Once that's down, this is held in here. We're just going to lift up and push forward. So now that I have those two tabs, I've pushed forward, and I can lift this up and simply remove your air filter, and then you can put a new air filter back in. Just make sure you get it seated in there correctly. You're going to push these two back end pieces right here in first, and then you'll push down. Like that, you'll just simply flip those tabs back over, and you are good to go. Hopefully that helps. Please like and subscribe.